Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Today, inshallah, we'll continue talking about Tafsir, and it's Surah 109, Surah Al-Kafirun. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. The meaning of Al-Kafirun. The word Al-Kafirun means disbelievers. So, here it's talking about disbelief and disbelievers. As we know that this surah is a Meccan surah, it was sent in Mecca, and you will know the situation that Allah sent this surah in, inshallah. Next is the surah objective, and it's here absolving oneself, the Prophet Muhammad, especially as Allah was talking to him and all of us as believers, from disbelief and all of its people. So, this is the surah objective. First of all, Allah is saying, قُلْ يَا أَيُّهَا الْكَافِرُونَ. قُلْ, it's an order also, as we said before in Surah Al-Nas and Al-Falaq, that Allah is talking to the Prophet Muhammad and He is saying, O Prophet, O Messenger, say. Say what? يَا أَيُّهَا الْكَافِرُونَ. Here, you have to talk to the disbelievers and tell them what Allah will say. So, O Messenger, O Prophet, say that, O you disbelievers, then Allah will continue saying, La a'budu ma ta'budun. And this means that I am not worshipping what you worship. Not presently in this time or in the future also. So I am not presently nor in the future worship the idols that you worship. Why Allah sent these words ordering the Prophet Muhammad to say that? It was an answer. Answer for what? For the ask that disbelievers did for the Prophet Muhammad. They went to the Prophet Muhammad after saying a lot of stuff, trying to make him back from Islam and Da'wah at the beginning. They said that he is crazy, he is mad, he is a magician, he is saying boom, and so on. And once they felt that there is no hope, they went to the Prophet Muhammad asking him to worship their idols or their gods, as they think, for a year, and they will worship your God, O Prophet, or O Muhammad. We will worship your God for the next year. So you will worship ours for a year, and we will worship yours for the next year, and we do that repetitively. What was the answer? The answer came from Allah Almighty Himself. He said, O Prophet, tell them, say that I am not worshipping what you worship, and وَلَا أَنْتُمْ عَابِدُونَ مَا أَعْبُدُ, and you don't worship what I worship. So, by doing that, you are not worshipping Allah. Allah did talk about that in Quran in multiple verses, and He said that He never forgives shirk. Shirk is the opposite of tawheed. Monotheism is to believe in any other God or more than a God. Allah also said that He is more, or He is so sufficient that He is in need for a partner or associate. So, Allah never forgive that. Allah never accept that. He said that Prophet answers saying that you never worship what they worship, and they never worship what you worship. As if you also do that, worshipping Allah for a year, and you have an intention to not worshiping Him the next year, this is not worshiping for Allah. Okay, that's well. And next, you will see that Allah is confirming, وَلَا أَنَا عَابِدٌ مَا عَبَدْتُمْ, nor I am worshipping what you have worshipped of idols. So Allah did talk in all of the present and the past and the future too. I didn't worship, I am not worshipping, and I will not worship what you worship. And Allah is repeating also, وَلَا أَنْتُمْ عَابِدُونَ مَا أَعْبُدُ, nor you are worshipping what I worship, who is Allah Almighty. And at the end, Allah is confirming, لَكُمْ دِينُكُمْ وَلِيَ دِينٍ. Here you have your religion, which you created, which you invented for yourselves. And I have my religion that Allah sent down to me. That was the Prophet Muhammad's answer that was sent by Allah to answer the disbelievers when they asked having a God for 1 year and the other for the other year. So what we learn from this, first, we have to, as the objective was to absolve ourselves from disbelief and its people. Even if they are around you, you have to be or to have your faith. Okay, that was the first one. Second, here it's very clear that Allah never accepts shirk or disbelieving, and alhamdulillah for Islam, and it's enough for all of us. May Allah bless you all, may Allah benefit us and teach us what benefits us. See you inshallah in the next videos. Share this to share the benefits. Assalamu alaikum.